Hello guys, welcome back to Garitech Interior Design. Thank you for the continuous support that we're still bringing towards this channel. This has been like, let's say, 2 days without I've not yet been uploading, but we are somewhere busy, but we have finished. So here we have got this 3-bedroom house that I was casting each and every day. So today we have done the electrical system, the electrical part in the interior designing part of this particular house. So I think everything is done. The paint work, the only thing that is remaining is only paint work for those touches that were left when someone was, let's say, was doing our tile works. There's some parts that he will come and then finish. But in terms of electrical, we have finished tiles, we have finished plumbing already, ceiling already, everything. It has it is all let's say it's like 99.5% of this particular house, and then the owner will be entering in. So I will take you the house tour of this particular house. I show you, and then I will give you the quotation of this material for mostly particular this house. So welcome inside, and then I show you how amazing it is. So here we have got this front camera, the front part of this house, like you can see. That's why in the first video this light was not here, but today it is here. So it's showing that we have done the electrical part. So this is the security light, of which it will be giving the light for this particular entire house, particular point up to the gate, and then there are 3. So the other one is just at the end of there, and then there's another one over there. And at the back we have got a neighbor, so we didn't put there so as to have interference with the neighbor. So in terms of spindles, we have provided, I think this is just attached that I'm going to give you. You have been on this channel, if you are my loyal subscriber or my loyal viewer, you have been seeing this house from day 1 up to today. I've been putting a video since scratch. I think it's 2 months time now for this particular point. You have been seeing it each and every time. So welcome inside, and then I will show you how amazing it is. So here we have got this front balcony, of which it has got only front balcony. So it's a 3-bedroom house with a sitting room. The master is ensuite, and then it has got a public toilet for this particular point. So this is the balcony, of which you can see it's quite spacious. So if you have been, and then if you are so keenly, this is the one for transportation. You will be seeing this number plate each and every day. And then here the owner suggested to have this particular point, so as when he will be, maybe he will come and then put here a bed. So whenever he'll be sleeping here, we have provided him a charging point at this particular point. So it will have got a double socket here, so as whoever will be using this particular point, he can charge his own phone or his own laptop over there. And then at the top, we have installed a ceiling rose, like you can see over there. It has got a bulb at that point. So welcome inside. And then here is the steel double door, of which you can see it is of square tubes, like you can see. This door, I guarantee you, for in terms of, let's say, security purposes, you have got covered. And then here, this is the corridor. Like you can see, we have done the designing, interior designing, like you can see on this particular video. This is our corridor, of which is just a short corridor. So you can see we have installed the centerpiece. As you can see, this is a hanging pendant, or you can call it a hanging rose. You can see it. We went with a gold color so as to blend with the other lighting system. Like you can see, the one that is inside, at least to be matching with the one, and then with the ones outside. And then you have got installed the snake light, and then the downlights. And then our downlights, our downlights, you can see you can see on the video, they even changes their color. So that is on daylight, and then that is warm and white, and then that is white. So if our client will be, maybe he wants no light, he can use white. If you need, let's say, more decoration, he can use other poison. And then here we have got this our entrance towards our sitting room over here. So this is an arc. Like I've told you on the video, our paint, the only thing that is remaining is paint work. So that's why you see this particular point is not yet ready. So this is the entrance that it will be welcoming you for this particular sitting room. So this is the sitting room. As you can see, we have done the painting work on the wall. Like you can see, red and white color, of which you can see it's so much. It's so much, let's say, blending with this particular sitting room. So at the upper part, you can see we have installed this chandelier. So this is a hanging chandelier. You can see it has fitted with that particular circle over there. So as like you can see, it is going. Let's say like you can see on the video, it's so quite smart. Like you can see over there, and then like you can see, it changes its color. So like you can see, that is on white, that is on warm. And then that is warm and white. So if you need maybe this particular chandelier or maybe this kind of services, maybe electrical system, maybe interior designing, maybe plumbing, maybe consultation in terms of let's say in terms of building, you can call us. Our number is 0746289667. And then like on the ceiling part, you can see we have even installed the downlights. We have installed the snake light. Like you can see, we went with the theme of warm and white downlights and even snake light. And then on this particular point, we have installed like you can see over here, we have installed the, let's say, this is our sliding windows. Like you can see, we have already installed. It's already working. So that's why I've told you our house is almost 99.5% for our owner to come to move in. So here we have got another socket, double socket over here, and then here we have another, let's say this is another window, which is of same size of 6 by 4. And then at the end over here, we have got this. This is a particular point for the TV. If you, let's say, this is for the real antenna, you can come and then after you have installed here your TV, you can come and install. You draw your wire up here, and then you will have to input here the TV antenna, and then another double socket, and then another double socket at that particular point. So, and then another thing. We always advise our client to use a double socket because a single socket has some limitation in terms of operating it. You can't compare a double socket with a single socket because a double socket has more option as compared with a single socket, of which it will be limiting you for your own appliances. So over here, this is the second, this you can call it our first bedroom. So this is our first bedroom. Like you can see in the ceiling design, we went with the flat ceiling design. We have installed a fan, we have installed a light, of which of single is just a ceiling rod. So here, you can see this is another sliding window that will be operating for this particular house over here. It has got 2 windows. So the first one is over here and the second one is just over here. In terms of sizes, this house is of 16 by 16 in feet. So 16 by 16, you will have this spacious design, spacious bedroom, of which it can accommodate even 3 beds depending how you will arrange your bed. So it's quite spacious. You can, I think one time if you got time, you can come and visit this particular point, this particular site, so as to enjoy our services and then so that you can appreciate our services. And then over here, this is another corridor, as you can see, that separates towards our first. This is another second bedroom, and then there's another. This is the public toilet, and then there's a master bedroom at that particular point. So over here we have got this master common toilet. Like you can see, we have already installed everything. I think the only thing that is remaining is just, let's say, cleaning, and in terms of let's say cleaning, so that you can see our ground is a little bit messy. So in terms of everything, like you can see here, it's operating. We went with this particular symbol, particular shower doors. Like you can see, it's already operating over there. And then this is our tap over here. Like you can see, the water is running. And then over here we have got, this is our Arabian shower. Like you can see, it's already operating. You can see it has got, our water has it has pressure to access, to reach at this particular point here. And then here we have got this closed couple toilet, of which our client suggested to go with this particular toilet source to blend, to have that let's say, to have his own desire. And then over here we have got, this is a sink, of which you'll be using maybe if you want, let's say, for brushing your tooth, and then even washing your hands. So guys, up to that end, if you have not subscribed, kindly make sure you have subscribed, like, share, comment. So for more services, I've put my number over there. You can call us, and then you can negotiate. And then here is the second bedroom, of which it has the same design with the other bedroom. So here we have installed our fan and the ceiling rose, of which is of same design, a flat ceiling design with the only fan and the ceiling rose over here, and then a bulb that will be providing a light for this particular one. And then in terms of window, you can see this window is not a sliding window. Like you can see, it's of, let's say, a net over at the other end. So as the owner suggested to have this particular window, because for air circulation for this particular room, because he has, let's say, he has his own mother that will be coming to stay with him on this particular point. There are two. So the first one is just there, and then the second one is just over there. So guys, subscribe, like, share, comment. I will appreciate you so much when I'll be getting more engagement, particularly on this video. So here we are entering towards our master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. Like you can see, we did well with let's say, more lighting points to just with a full moon at the center, and then we have got a fan at this particular point. And then in terms of windows, we have installed our sliding windows for both room 1, sitting room, and then this bedroom, I think is sitting room, bedroom 1, and this master bedroom only. The other one I've shown you is not of sliding windows like of this particular design. And then there are two, so the first one is just there, and the second one is just over there. And then here we have got, this is a strapping. So whenever our client will be sleeping here, he will not have access to go to light his light over there. Whenever maybe want to sleep, you can just put it off over here, or you can just put it on at this particular point. We always favor our client in terms of electrical provision. So over here, this is the master, of which is an N-suit. So here our master N-suit, of which is of same design with the other one. In terms of measurement, is of 6 by 13, or in terms of measurement. So I think you can see it's quite spacious, and then our water is running. Like you can see, everything is running. Like you can see over here, and then there's a tap over here. Like you can see, even the water is already running. And then here we have got this hand basin, of which it has even running water. Everything we have tested, it's working, guys. So, and then here we have got this Arabian shower. So you can see it's working very nice. And then this couple close to toilet for this particular master bedroom. And then here we have got this soap dish handle. So you can see that is over here. So guys, make sure if maybe you are a new subscriber, make sure you have subscribed to this video, to this YouTube channel. You can contact us. We are free. We can communicate with each and every day. You can call us. You can WhatsApp. You can email us. Our contact trace is on that particular video. On that particular, let's say our contact trace is on let's say on that profile. So if so I think up to that end my video. So make sure you have subscribed, like, share, and comment. For more services, you can call us through 0746289667. 0746289667. We are flexible. We can do work countrywide. You can call us. We can do it. Be it interior designing and everything concerned construction. So let's meet on the next video, God willing.